Hello everyone, my name is Pranshu Patel. Today I am presenting my Python project. The project which I am going to present is speed typing test. The speed typing test is useful for improve your typing speed. First of all, you have to install to Python project. First, the two uh, first one is tkinter, and the second one is random. Tkinter is useful for Python GUI, and random is useful for random variables. Uh, so here I have declare a global variable and initialize this to 0 and give running to false. Here I create a variable called instruction. In that I have passed the instruction of my Python project. So now I have to create a instance of tkinter. This is function to handle key event of passing key. So the next function is useful for restarting a text and program. uh, in this in that I have just create a global variable counter. Here I have passed the conditions that if running is false, then change label text to 0, and if this is true, then it's change label text to string. Here exit function is used for exit. So the next function is the first function customers uh, dialog box is used for dialog box of instruction. It will display instruction of our project. So the next is here the function counter labor is that I have create another function called counter. In that I have passed the variable counter running in that. Here check function is for check writing paragraph and instant paragraph. And the next function is here the uh, root dot geometry is used for setting your project window. I have give a title of my project. There he that name is typing master, made by Pranshu. And the the next whole thing is root dot resizable is to not resize Python window. And the last one is root main loop is used for open continuous window. So now we are going to run the application. So this is the first will come when we start the program. इसमें सारा इंस्ट्रक्शन आ जाएगा आपके पाइथन इस प्रोजेक्ट का, और आप यहाँ पे स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं लिखना, राइट. डिसाइड स्लिप्स लाइन और है, और जैसे ही 20 सेकंड होगा ये प्रोजेक्ट पूरा हो जाएगा रन होना, एंड आपकी एक्यूरेसी यहाँ पे आ जाएगी और वर्ड पर मिनट यहाँ पे आ जाएगा जो 18 है पर मिनट, राइट. एंड व्हेन यू रिस्टार्ट इट, it's going to restart the whole application, and you can write one more time the paragraph. So this, and when you click the exit, is going to exit the program. So this is all the whole program, and the thanks for listening me, and the code is given in the description box below, and always be a learner.